So the baby gate latches on this side. These stay on the wall. I don't know if that would bother most people. They come off like, I don't know, an inch and a half, something like that. And then this one stays on this wall, but I screwed it in. You can't pull the gate out unless you unlock, right? So then you can pull. Then you bring this on over and you latch both top and bottom, if I really pull it out far enough. Hold on. So it is a little tricky one-handed, but yeah, I guess the trim kind of keeps it from sitting real flush with the ground, because when you mount it, if the I didn't want to cut through the trim, so I just mounted it that high. I mean, you could cut through the trim, you could remove the trim, I don't know. There's other ways to do it. That's just how I wanted to do it. About 4 fingers. So, but she still doesn't get under it because it's kind of tight.
All right, so we ordered this gate. Super easy to install. My husband put it up in about 20 minutes. It has these 2 latches on the end, and it was obviously ordered to replace the old-fashioned baby gates. These are nice because you can do it with one hand. Obviously, it's intended to keep the dogs out, but it just latches that way. And then to unlatch, you just pull, and it retracts back. All of that can be done while holding a kid or a coffee or whatever, which is why we ordered it. So definitely would buy again. We have 3 of them already.